Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Riddhika. I'm 10 years old. Today I'm going to be reading another book called The Man and His Three Sons. So here's the man, and he's a farmer, and his name is Jake. These are the three sons. This guy's name is Luca. This guy's name is Liam, and he's Leo. Once upon a time, there was a man. He was a farmer. He lived in a village. He had three sons. So here's the highway which connects to the road to the village. Here are three houses, a supermarket, a fountain, and a school. The man used to worry for his children. That's because they always fought with each other and wasted all their energy in it. So here the farmer is shouting, "No, don't fight!" And the boys are fighting. One day, so it looks like the farmer is calling his sons. He's saying, "Leo, Luca, Liam." He said that they are going to be performing a test, and whoever passes gets whatever he wants from their father. So here he's talking to them. Then he said to bring some wood. All of the boys brought one stick each. So they all have one stick. When their father got the sticks that his sons found, he tied them all together. So he's making a bundle here. He gave the bundle to his sons and told them to try and break it. So he's saying, "Break the bundle." And they're all thinking, "That's so easy." All the sons tried but failed. So all of them are looking sad because they thought it was easy, but they became overconfident and they failed. Then their father untied the bundle and gave one stick to each son. So he has three different sticks, and he's going to give it to them, to the sons. He told them to break it now. So now he's saying, "Now break it." Now the boys are going to try to break it. All of the boys were able to succeed effortlessly. That means without effort. Then their father told them to look at the stick's example. So he's saying, "Look." So here are the pieces. When you unite with each other, nobody will be able to harm you. But if you work separately, anybody could harm you easily. So here the bundle is unharmable, and these three, the separate sticks, are weak and easily harmable. So the moral of the story is unity is strength. So our next story is The Man and His Three Sons, Part 2. After a few days, the man decided to take another test. So he's thinking, "Let me take one more test." Once again, he called his sons. "Leo, Luca, Liam," he's shouting. He told them they are going to be taking one more test because they failed the last one but learned a good moral. For their test, they each had to fill a room with something. He gave his children $10 each and time till evening. So he's giving the money here. Then he went away. The first son, Leo, gave up without trying. So Leo is thinking, I give up. He thinks it's too hard. The second son, Luca, decided to fill up the room with garbage. The room started to stink so badly that it became irresistible. So nobody could go in there. See, it's so stinky. Here's the garden, so stinky. The third son thought and thought till evening. Then an idea popped into his head. So here he's sitting and an idea just popped into his head. He went to the store and used his $10 to buy candles. So here he's going to the store, Target, and he's going to buy some candles. I wonder why. He filled the room with light. When their father came a few minutes later, he was proud and amazed by Liam. So here, there's the house that Leo did nothing to. Here's the house that Luca put garbage in and it started stinking so bad. And here is the room which Liam filled with light, so it's bright. So here's the farmer and he's very happy with Liam. So the morals of the story are: number 1, never give up, and number 2, by using intelligence and patience, anyone can solve any problem. The end. So I hope you guys liked the book I read for you today. Please like our videos and subscribe to our channel, and see you later. Bye!